Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain.
Thank you. So, how is the ambience? How is the overall experience here at Channel 9?
Ambience here is really good. The whole team, they've treated me really well. So I'm very happy to be here today.
Great, thank you.
So today I'm here to try out my hairstyling. So it was really good.
Okay. So, I think we used the Dyson Air wrap
Yeah,
on your
correct.
hair. So, I can see the curls turned out to be really amazing.
And one more thing, what I can feel is my hair has been really good. So there are no more split ends, which I
Okay.
have seen with few other products. So that's what I like.
Great, great. So, I think the time consumption is super
Really less.
very less. Yeah. Okay. Bhumika, how is the experience here at Channel 9?
It's really a great experience here. It's really
Okay.
super cool.
Great, great, amazing. So, Bhumika, what product did you use on your hair today? Air wrap. Okay, so the curls are looking great on your hair. Right. So, Bhumika, do you want to say something to our viewers?
Yeah, actually Dyson products are really super cool because it's easy to use and very quick products. And if you want to buy any Dyson products, you can visit Channel 9 store or their website. You just follow Channel 9 on Instagram and Facebook also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhumika. Glad you could come.
Yes, the air brush they used on my hair. It's very easy to curl your hair.
Right.
And
So you don't need anybody else to do it for you.
yeah, I
You
can just by myself.
right.
And not too much heat, and it's really smooth. It makes your hair really smooth and not too rough.
Right.
Which
That's
is
the
very
best part.
helpful. Yes, that's
Yeah.
the best part. And, yeah, very heartwarming people too to
Oh,
welcome
thank you.
you.
Thank you so much.
This is the first time I'm doing a photo shoot, so I guess it's pretty cool. The environment and everything, I liked it so much.
Great, great.
And for the curler, I used air wrap,
Uh-huh.
and it's very good. It didn't, give any heat or anything.
Right.
And the curl is very comfortable and very
Correct.
perfect.
I can see that.
Yeah. So I loved it so much. So if you guys want to really visit, please visit Channel 9. It's a very good store, and you will get damn brand like the Dyson. It's a very good brand.
Right. And newly launched in India.
Newly launched, so it's really safe and cool. You guys can use it very nicely.
So I hope it didn't burn your skin while using
No, no,
it.
no, no, no.
Usually when we use other curlers or straighteners, it tends to burn
Yeah.
our skin near the ears and stuff.
Yes.
So I hope that didn't happen.
No, it didn't happen at all. It's
Yeah.
very comfortable and very safe. So
Right.
what I can tell, please use it. It's a very well-known and very good product.
I use like wrap curls.
Okay. Okay.
That was like it was not clean. You should not do it manually. So it automatically gets curled itself, and
Okay.
it depends upon the body temperature also.
Right.
So it's very nice product. This is the first time that I used it. I prefer to use this product personally.
So I hope it didn't burn your skin while
No.
using it.
No.
Usually, I believe when we use other curlers, it tends to burn our skin, right? Yeah. So we can only feel the heat here, but not the burning sensation, of course.
It was a very nice product.
Okay.
It's the first time that I
Using it.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, Sanvi, which product did you use on your hair today? Coral. Okay. So, how was the experience?
It was very good. Actually, it is very comfortable. We can use for ourselves as well, and we don't even feel like it is heat. But we will feel like automatically we can straighten our hair, and it is not at all a heat. We don't feel that actually, and it is weightless, and it stays for a long time as well. And when I used other brands as well. I got heat here and all. It burned my skin, but it is not like that. You all can try this. It is very amazing brand, amazing product.
Great. Thank you so much, Sanvi. Glad you could meet him today. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. So, how was the experience?
Yeah, it's going good, and yeah, makeup artists and hairstylists are really very good, and you can see this curls and all. It's so bouncy and it's not staying normal. So it's almost 30 minutes that I have done this, but yeah, it's just complete.
Amazing. Hope you like the Dyson product.
Yes, I liked it, and it's really good, and the product is flawless and it's very weightless. And I must say that if you want to buy this Dyson, please follow Channel 9 and their Facebook page and Insta page. And if you want to buy any Dyson product, just log in into Channel 9 and you can buy it.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you would meet me today. So, Ritika, how was the overall experience here today?
Oh, it was so good. The overall ambience is so good, and it's very comfortable.
Amazing.
And yeah, pharmacy is of course made me a lot more comfortable.
Definitely.
Yeah, and everything was so good. The products we used on my hair, Dyson color, it
So,
was really good.
okay, what product did you use on your hair?
Dyson color.
The air wrap. is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I see how beautifully this turned out.
Exactly, it just gave me a new look.
Right,
It looks very
right.
beautiful.
Right. So, do you want to say anything to our viewers, Ritika?
Just use the Dyson product. It's really amazing. You'll have a great experience using it, and just bang on.
I think it's a fabulous show and a
Great.
fabulous store to work with.
So, how was the ambience? Is good?
I love the ambience, I love the color, I'm simply in love with the design and everything. I mean, every single thing is so thought after, and it's a very customer-centric store.
Right. Exactly. And that's an amazing thing what you said, right? So, how did you like the Dyson product?
I initially thought, I have to be honest, I thought it's just one of the straighteners and curlers, but yes, after having been tried on my hair, guys, it's a fab product, particularly the straightener, because it changed my mindset about the hair straightening and hair curling techniques. I'm absolutely in love with the product.
Great. So usually when we use other, the normal brand straighteners, it tends to, burn our skin. But I hope that didn't happen to you while using the Dyson.
Absolutely not, and I can vouch for it. I can vouch my career for it.
Amazing, that's a huge thing.
And the most important part about the store is you can actually buy it online. So when I say online, it's like you just have to enter into their websites and buy whenever you want to at your convenience at your place. So please go for it, and I'm definitely grabbing it. Not her, but actually the products. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The Dyson styling event would not have been possible without the support of the Dyson partners. Also, Channel 9 extends its humble request and gratitude to our photography partners, David Photography, event partners, Glamour Freak Events, and all the 15 models, celebrities, and bloggers who took their valuable time to walk into our store. Last but not the least, to all the staff of Channel 9 who made this event a huge success. InnoCraft for all the social media support extended by the last 3 days. You could also visit us on channel9mobiles.com to buy all the Dyson products or any gadgets. Please do follow Channel 9 on Instagram and Facebook. Signing off, Priyanka Arjun.